Today we are going to be planting in teeny tiny terracotta pots. Just look at it. It's so tiny. So I received this Thimble cactus from a dear friend of mine. And it's maybe time to give it just a little bit of room to breathe. Wouldn't you agree? So let's remove some of these babies. Let's see. This one. Oh. Maybe not that one. How can something so cute be so dangerous? Okay, let's see. Maybe this one. There we go. 5 babies. Now let's pot them. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. We are probably gonna need some soil. There we go. I'm only gonna use normal soil. I don't think cactus mix is going to fit in these tiny, tiny pots. Oh my gosh. I'm using a toothpick for this. This is so cute. Come here, little guy. This is bottom. How cute is that? Oh. Last one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.